Gems, I was thinking about to ask you something.
Ask.
Actually, morning you are coming to drop in my office. Evening you are coming to drop in my house. And afternoon you're chatting with me.
Yes, very correct. What do you want to say to me?
Okay. Where are you working, Gems?
Actually, I'm working in a big company as MD's assistant. Whatever work he gives, I just distribute to every worker, then I become free.
Super work, very good.
Thank you.
Gems. Ask me what is my age.
But why?
Just ask.
Okay, what's your age?
21.
Why did you tell me to ask?
Generally no one asks about girls' age. And boys' salary, okay. Now you asked me about my age.
Okay.
So, what's your salary?
50,000.
Then okay.
Why, or else you'll dump me, huh?
Hey, in next week my birthday is coming.
Hey, advance happy birthday.
Don't wish me now, Gems. You should celebrate my birthday very grand. Okay.
Sure, let's enjoy it.
Is this restaurant okay for you?
Fine, we could have gone a bigger restaurant.
It's okay, I'm okay for this.
Excuse me, ma'am. Order, please.
Okay, 1 garlic chicken, 1 chicken strips, chicken nuggets, and then bucket combo. What do you want, Gems?
I'd like to have finger chips only.
Only finger chips. What happened, Gems?
I have non-veg daily, so just for a change.
Okay, finger chips. And how long will it take for our order to be ready?
It will take 20 minutes, ma'am. Here is your order, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Jenny. I'll go and wash my hands and come.
Are you done?
Yes.
Hello, hey buddy, I couldn't arrange some money. Just escape from there.
Why you said lie to me, Gems?
Actually, you're the reason I'm not going for the job.
What me? What I done, James?
If you've told Oki for my love, I'd have gone for a job. You wasted my time. If you've accepted soon, I'd have gone for a job.
Don't tell me foolish reason, Gems. Just for fun, only you're loving me, right?
Please don't talk like this, Jenny.
But what, for your future you want to go to work? Look, Gems. My dad is very strict. Without your job, he'll never accept this. If you can't tell me now, we will break up now, James.
Hey, just stop it, Oki. You're always talking about the breakup.
What I want to do. Tell me, Gems?
You want me to go to job. That's all right. Next month, I'm going to meet you with my first month's salary. Is there enough? It's a promise, my dear.
Okay. I'm leaving.
Okay then. I'll drop you.
I'll go by taxi.
Oh, come on. I told you I'll go to job come. Wow, Jenny. You have beautiful house. What's your father doing?
He is a businessman.
Vav. That's superb. Then why should I go for a job? We'll do one thing, we'll marry soon. I'll look after you father's business, okay?
Why? Are you playing? My dad will do anything for me. But my self-respect, I'm only going for job, but you are saying like this, Jezen. Look here. If you'll decide to go to the job, then we'll love. Otherwise in this time, I'll finally break up with you.
Hey, stop it, Oki. Always talking about breakup. Your father is getting old, I thought I could have helped him. That's I was saying. If you don't want, Oki, I'll leave it.
Oki, you may go. My father is about to come. And don't forget the job.
Oki then. See you later, bye. Buddy, she doesn't look like her father.
Hey, you're going to create some confusion in that family.
Her father looked like Rowdy, you know.
So you got fear, right? So what's your problem now?
Only if got a job. He'll give his daughter.
Is he playing or what? He's asking you to go for job. You don't want that girl, buddy.
No. I have decided to go for a job.
I believe it's a sincere love. Then do one thing. My colleague has told. There is a vacancy, you just go and attend the interview. Is that okay for you?
Thanks, dude.
Who is Gems here?
It's me, sir.
You're being called inside.
Good morning, sir.
Shall I ask questions?
Sure, sir.
When you walked into the interview room, how many people were waiting outside?
You mean outside?
Yes, outside.
Sorry, sir, I don't know exactly.
I cannot employ people who don't have general knowledge. Generally, you're rejected.
Sir, please ask me one question, sir. I'll give you answer, sir.
Sorry, I don't have time for all that, please leave.
Sir, please, sir, I need this job very urgently. Sir, if you give me a job, I'll give you money, sir. I don't even want salary, sir.
Hun. He don't want salary also. Young man, I don't understand. What you say?
I'll tell you in detail, sir. Actually, I'm loving a rich girl, sir.
Okay.
She also loves me sincere. But her father is very big businessman. He's got approximately 50 crores worth property.
Of 50 crores. Sir, what are you talking?
But what to do, sir? In all love story, there will be a villain in my life. Also, there is a villain.
But who is your villain, sir?
Her father, sir.
Che. All father become villains nowadays. What did he do?
He'll give his daughter. If I only go for a job.
Nonsense, it's a very bad habit.
You're right, sir. If you give me this job, I'll marry her. And I'll get the 50 crores property also. I'll give you 10% commission, sir.
Vav. 10%. 10% is 5 crores, sir. That is also right. When you get 50 crores free, 5 crores is not a big deal.
Sir, if you ask me just one question.
Why? Why should I question? You're already appointed.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.